Hi students, exercise 8.4, question number 6. Two dice are rolled once. Find the probability of getting an even number on the first die or total of face sum 8. So totally two questions is there. The first one, even number on the first die or total of face sum 8. Two dice rolled பண்ண sample space என்ன? What's the sample space? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 up to 6, 6. So n of s equal to 36. N of s equal to 36. And next, first question, even number on the first die. Even number on the first die. Let a be the event of getting even number on the first die. First die la only even number மட்டும் வரணும். One is odd number, 2 even number, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. This row fully even number on the first die. And 4, 1, 4, 2. This row fully even number on the first die. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So write the even number on the first die. That term only you write. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Now count n of a equal to 3, 6 or 18. Put the box. Probability formula P of a equal to n of a by n of s. 36, n of s value 36, n of a equal to 18. Therefore, P of a equal to 18 by 36. This is the first one. This is answer for the first case. And next case, or total of face sum 8. கமா ரிமூவ் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஆட் பண்ண ஆன்சர் வந்து என்ன வரணும்? 8 வரணும். ஸோ என்ன நம்பரில் கமா ரிமூவ் பண்ணி ஆட் பண்ணி 8 வருது பாருங்கள். 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 2, 6. That's it. Take this term alone. Okay. Let B be the event of getting total of face sum is 8. B equal to 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2. N of B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N of B equal to 5. P of B equal to N of B by N of S. P of B equal to 5 by 36. Okay. Next, by addition theorem formula, you know very well. P of A union B equal to, what's the formula? P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So we got the value P of A and P of B. Now we are going to find A intersection B. That means common term from A and B. What are the common term from A and B? 2, 6 lies here also and here also 2, 6. 4, 4, 6, 2. The three terms are common in both the event. 2, 6, 4, 4, 6, 2. 2, 6, 4, 4, 6, 2. This is a common term from both A and B. Therefore, 2, 6, 4, 4 and 6, 2. Therefore, n of A intersection B equal to 3. P of A intersection B equal to n of A intersection B by n of S, 3 by 36. Okay. Therefore, P of A intersection B equal to 3 by 36. Put the box. Write the formula. Addition theorem formula. P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Substitute the value. P of A value. What's the first one? 18 by 36. What's the second one? 5 by 36. And last one 3 by 36. See the first one answer 18 by 30 P of A, and second one answer 5 by 36. The last one 3 by 36. Now the base are same. Base same arko common போட்டுருங்க. 18 plus 5 minus 13. Add this value 18 plus 5 23 minus 3 by 36. Separate பண்ணுங்க. 23 minus 3 20 by 36. 4 table cancel பண்ணலாமா? 5 4s are here, 9 4s are. Therefore answer P of A union B equal to 5 by 19.